Welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to be doing an iGirl bundle unboxing. I had been wanting to get an iGirl bundle for a very long time, but it is pretty expensive, not considering what you get in one, but just how much is in general. It is $200 plus shipping. I spent $214, I believe. And I have been waiting 6.5 weeks for it to come. IGirl, or Internet Girl, she does styled bundles. You pay for it and it's like a mystery bundle, so you don't know what it is and it goes based off of your measurements. We also do styled bundles on our shop. We can link that down below, and we'll link iGirl's Depop shop down below as well. So yeah, let's get into the video. So what I messaged Internet Girl or iGirl when I purchased the bundle and then you send her the theme stuff you want, I said, this is my first bundle, so I'm super excited to see what you come up with. I think I'm going to go with the iGirl special theme, which is like she chooses the theme for you, basically. And I said, I love bustiers / corset style tops, and I'm hoping to incorporate more bold items into my wardrobe, such as pants. I also want to start wearing more chunky necklaces. Overall, I really enjoy baby doll type style / prints and some frills, but it's up to you. I don't have any iGirl jewelry, but I love the Pink Crush earrings. I don't wear t-shirts really, so I'd prefer tank tops and no low-rise bottoms, please. And then I gave her my measurements. So yeah, here's the bundle. It looks like such. It's this size, head for reference. So yeah, I guess I'm just gonna. I'm like sweating. I hope I didn't break something. I don't know if that was this or something inside. Might have broken something. Okay. So, first thing I see is this. I see horseshoes. Okay, I guess I'll do this first because it's the smallest. It's like in little purple wrapping. I'm really nervous. Nora's behind me. She's the audience.
Oh my god.
It's a little horsey bag. That is so cute.
That is so good, Anya.
I don't even know if I have like horse stuff in my likes. I used to ride horses when I was younger, weekly. And so I really enjoy horses. This is so cute. And it's like girly version of like bandana print. And then another thing in here.
That's so cute.
A very cute bustier top. Very excited about this. Everything smells really good. I feel like this will fit me really well. And I like that it's strapless. Hopefully the cups fit.
That's really cute.
I told her my boob size though. It is Old Victoria's Secret. It is a 36C, so hopefully it fits. We'll see. I am like a D size and I have like a 32 around. This is so cute. That's really cute. God, the horse. I saw horseshoes and I was like,
so far, all good.
I was like, girl, how do you know? Okay, so there's two other like section packaging things in here. So I'm just gonna pull out the one on top. This is probably the one that has the jewelry and the letter. So I think I'm gonna wait on that one and open this other one. Oh wait, no, this has the letter in it. So I guess I'll open this one first. It's bigger. It's like Christmas or Hanukkah.
Nice. But so far, so good.
Yeah, I really like both of those things. So I see some Hello Kitty stickers. Cute. Oh, these ones are in a bathtub. Just chilling. And then there are some pants in here. But first, I have seen this on her website.
Ooh.
It's a dead stock top. It says Vixen and it has light blue detailing and it's glittery. So that's this. Did I hold up this one?
I think so. Look cute to put that flowy one over that tank top.
Yeah. So I believe the jewelry is wrapped in here because I hear jingling. Cute pants. So I think the jewelry is in here. Let's set that there for a second. And so these are some pants. Cute. They're dead stock. Size 13, but they have an adjustable strap. They're like really cool, super wide leg. These are cute.
Yeah, those are really cool.
I like the stitching. It's light blue. It's got a lot of pockets. These will look really cute with my roller skates. I just got roller skates. So yes, the brand is IGirl, Mac Girl, I think. They're kind of a big size, but the waist is adjustable, so it looks like it should fit. So that's that, and I'll open. So cute.
That is really cute.
It's a really cute Lazy Oaf, like baby doll dress that's different colored gingham, and it's got a little heart on it. That's very cute.
It matches your shirt.
I like it. And then she threw in some cute white fishnet tights. That'll be good. These are soft.
Cute.
And then here's her letter, which I'm gonna read after. There's some stickers in there. And then I will open the jewelry box now. Make sure there's nothing inside. This is the jewelry box. So it's the skull. This is heavy as fuck. It's got a little clippy, and it's a skull on it. And reverse, it says IGirl. It's like a little keychain. It's really cute. And then, oh, I had these ones in my legs too. So I think she gave me one of each. Oh no, there's one on the other side. It's the hatchet earrings with the blue.
Oh, cute.
I had these ones in my legs, and then she threw in the she-devil earrings, and then the she-devil necklace as well. Cute. I'm very excited about the earrings.
Yeah. The earrings and the skull one. That's why
Yeah.
it's like worth so much.
Because it's 2 earrings and 2 necklaces.
Yeah, that's a lot of jewelry.
I'll put this one on now. You tell me if it looks cool or not. So interested. Do I look cool?
Yeah.
So this is a letter, so I will read this out now. You're supposed to read it at the end after you open everything so you don't get any spoilers. So it comes with some stickers and things, it looks like. Some iWorld Internet Girl ones, and one of Internet Girl, and a little temporary tattoo. So she said, "Hi BB, I was so pumped to pull together this Styled by IGirl bundle for you. I just wanted to take this moment to tell you how I'd pull it together from head to toe. I included 2 look options for you. Here's outfit number 1. To accessorize, you mentioned that you want to start wearing more chunky necklaces, so I popped in our totally sold out IGirl skull lock chain. This bad boy is perfect piece to spice up all your baby doll looks. I also included our purple hatchet earrings as well. I love how these tie into the purple in the dress, hee hee. For your first look option, slip into the Amaze Lazy Oaf pastel gingham baby doll dress. When you said that you love baby doll style, I just had to include this sucker for you. I also threw in those dead stock classic white fishnet tights that you can pair with the look for even more cuteness, heart. Spice up the look with your fave combat boots, duh. Outfit option number 2. Accessorize this fit with a she-devil pendant and mini she-devil earrings. This combo goes with literally everything, so you'll be able to pair it with endless looks. For your bod, I included that insanely cute glittery vixen tank top that you can pair with those incredible dead stock Mac Girl wide leg pants from Hot Topic back in the day. These pants are absolutely to die for, and since you said that you want to incorporate more bold pants into your wardrobe, I thought that these would be right up your alley. I'm 100% obsessed with this combo. I def complete this look with your fave chunky sneakers. Fun extra, since you said that you love bustiers and corset style tops, I just had to throw in this mega cute lacy strapless piece for you. This gem is so dreamy and would be also super cute paired with those wide leg pants as well. I also included that ridiculously cute plushy horse purse as well. I am in love with this angel and thought that you would appreciate her as well, hee hee. I do, it's a very cute purse. When I saw horseshoes, I was like, you know. Thank you for trusting me to style some looks and supporting my little operation. I hope you enjoy your new goodies and thank you for your patience during these unprecedented times. Eternal love, Bella at IGirl, and her logo. So yeah, that is my bundle. I am happy with it. I really like all of the pieces and I'm excited to wear the pants definitely because they're adjustable. So that's exciting. And I love the horse purse. It's so cute.
So cute.
I don't know how she knew I liked horses, but she's not wrong. So I really love all the jewelry. I paired the she-devil little earrings with the hatchet earrings in purple. And then I'm wearing the Scully chain. And I really like this dress. It fits like perfect baby doll size. Yeah. And I paired it with the fishnets. I didn't feel like going to the garage and grabbing my combat boots. So I'm just wearing my vintage Skechers. The colors go really well with my hair clips.
True.
Okay, bro.
9, 10, 11,
Stop
12.
bending all over the place.
I got
Just stand.
12 pockets on my body, Nora.
Okay, now talk about it. Go.
I really like the pants. I feel like a Bratz doll, especially with my hair. It has like 14 pockets on it because each pocket is a double pocket. And where's one that's open? So 1 pocket, 2 pocket, 3 pocket. They're dead stock from Hot Topic back in the day. Very cool. I like them. They have a very adjustable waist. So they like get really big, but it's super flattering when you pull them tight because it does a thing where it like cinches here. So it snatches you. I like this tank top a lot. It's a little bit big in the waist part on me, but I think that the measurements I gave her were a little bit bigger than I am sometimes because I fluctuate in weight a little bit. But I think that it'll probably shrink in the wash because it's cotton, so it should fit well, and I think I'm gonna crop it maybe because I feel like a little like midriff would be cute. I should pair it with like this necklace. This is the other necklace she gave me. Very cute with it too instead of this one.
Too much bling.
I got all the bling. And I'll wear your IGirl pendant with it. Like literally all the bling. Yeah, I really like it. I want to try the pants on with the other top, so.
Oh, and then you can use the horse.
I want to do
then.
that thing.
Go.
Ta-da!